guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Emma and you're very welcome. Before we move on, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell right next to it so you don't miss out on weekly content. And now that has been said and done, we can move on to what this video is about.
Pretty lady, African woman, first time I saw you, I told myself.
In today's video, I'll be reviewing a product from a brand called Bellestar. It is a natural hair brand. It's also a Nigerian brand, and I'm absolutely impressed by this product. The product is their shea butter, almond, and avocado moisturizing leave-in conditioner. It claims that it softens, detangles, and protects. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Like, it is absolutely an amazing product. I have actually used this product twice. First as a leave-in conditioner as directed, and also as a pre-poo, because it actually does soften and detangle my hair. In terms of the claim that it protects, their claim is that it smoothens your cuticles and protects your hair from environmental factors such as humidity and hard water. I can't say much to that effect because I haven't put that to the test. When I used it the first time as a leave-in conditioner, my hair wasn't twist from wash day to wash day. So the second time I used this product, I used it as a pre-poo, so I can't really speak to it. However, I will definitely be reviewing these products in a couple of weeks on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me. I put up weekly product reviews and I've got a couple scheduled, so this would come right after those. And I know by the time I put this up, I would have used it a couple more times, so I'll be able to say more in terms of, you know, their claim to protecting your hair from environmental factors. Today's video, what you'll be seeing is me moisturizing my hair and putting my hair in this bantu knot. Not really a bantu knot tutorial, but if you want a bantu knot tutorial, let me know in the comment section. So this will be me just showing you guys how I use this leave-in conditioner, and I don't know why I'm talking so fast. A lot of people kept on saying, why don't I review Nigerian products? Here is one of those Nigerian products. By the way, this is not a paid or sponsored partnership or video or whatever. I bought this product with my money, my hard-earned money, so this is me being real with you guys. I really absolutely love this conditioner. It goes for 2,000 naira for 250 ml, and I think it's worth it. Like, this is no rubbish product. 2,000 naira would be around 3 to 4 pounds, and also like around $5 to $6 if I'm not mistaken. Actually really impressed by this product. It has the perfect consistency that I look for in a leave-in conditioner. It is hydrating, but it's not too light. It is thick but not too thick that it sits on my strands. It literally just penetrates my strands. It softens, it detangles. Guys, you know I am huge and big on detangling because I've got fine hair, so I just absolutely love products that detangle my hair. By the way, thank you and shout out to my IG fam. I actually requested that they recommend some leave-in conditioners and this kept on popping up. I am glad I went with the majority vote and actually got this one. I got another leave-in conditioner, but that would be reviewed in a separate video. So that's it, guys. As you would have seen from the video, little goes a long way, penetrates, it softens. Like detangling, combing through my hair has never felt so good, especially in terms of remoisturizing. Most of the time when I remoisturize, I just finger detangle because it's always almost wash day, and I know I'll do a proper detangling, but I wanted to show you guys how this product is. Like if I wanted to put a detangling brush through my hair, it would work. I'm super excited about this product. This is a Nigerian brand. It's affordable. It's amazing. I think you guys can purchase this. I got this from a vendor, SWEETNATURALSHAIRCARE, but I think you can get this product directly from Bellestar. I'm not sure, but I'll put both the vendor SWEETNATURALSHAIRCARE somewhere on this clip and in the description box, and also you can check out Bellestar Natural Hair. I will put their handle right here and in the description box as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.